Hi there. Growing cucumbers in your garden is a great idea. Cucumbers are low in calories, high in water content and full of nutrients, making them a great addition to your meals. In fact, cucumbers are a good source of vitamin C, K, and potassium. When it comes to planting cucumbers, the optimal time to plant them is in late spring or early summer when the soil temperature is around 20 degrees Celsius. Cucumbers need a lot of sunlight and water, so choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight and is near a water source. You can grow cucumbers in pots as long as they have enough space for their roots to grow. Cucumbers require consistent watering, so make sure you water them every 2 to 3 days. During the hot and dry months, you may need to increase the frequency of watering. It is important to apply fertilizer to the soil every 2 weeks to provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. You don't need a huge garden space to grow cucumbers, about 1 square meter should suffice. Cucumbers grow on vines, so you need to provide a trellis or a structure for them to grow vertically. This will save space and ensure that the fruit remains straight and doesn't touch the ground. Cucumbers are ready for harvest in about 50 to 70 days after planting. You can tell if a cucumber is ripe by touching it. It should feel firm and have a bright green color. Overripe cucumbers are yellow in color and have a bitter taste. The most common problems that you might face while growing cucumbers are pests and diseases. Pests such as aphids can damage the crop, while diseases like powdery mildew can impact the growth and yield of the cucumbers. To avoid these problems, use properly fertilized soil, trellis the plants, remove diseased or wilted leaves as soon as possible, and check the plants regularly for pests. Cucumbers are adaptable to various climates, but planting them during the rainy season or in high humidity can increase the risk of disease. Cucumbers are excellent for salads, pickling, and as an ingredient in sandwiches. They taste crunchy and juicy with a slightly sweet taste that is refreshing and hydrating. In conclusion, growing cucumbers in your garden is a great idea. All you need is a sunny location, regular watering, a trellis structure, and the right soil and fertilizer. With proper attention, you should have juicy and healthy cucumbers ready for harvest in just a few weeks.